Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out HBAR. And if you remember in the previous video we were right in here and I said maybe we're gonna have a correction for another move down into wave 5, and on a higher degree at that point we probably have completed the subwaves for a wave 3, and then again we're gonna have corrective movement for wave 4, another move down into wave 5. Is this scenario still in play? I think so, yes. And I believe in this area we are having a correction, probably in form of an A, B, C zigzag, which the subwaves for it are going to be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into A, correction for wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, maybe even a triangle, doesn't really matter. And then another 5 into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart, and maybe it's best to go on 15-minute chart so we can see the structures a bit better. So I'm thinking this is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up to about this high. Also, before that, you may think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, but I'm gonna say it's probably starting from this high, a WXY in form of a double zigzag, and the move up before this WXY was indeed a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and well, okay, on a higher degree, these are probably the subwaves for, you know what, an A, B, C zigzag. Now, here's a very important point. This move down right in here is quite strong, which is a very important characteristic of an impulsive structure. Also, in it, we actually took the low of our B leg, and this kind of did confirm the bearish scenario in here, meaning having a correction into our wave 4. And I want to say at the moment in Hedera, we might be on our way to have one more move down into our wave 5, which in it we are going to take the lowest low at least down here about 15.5 cents. But I think we can actually go a bit more down than that, because right around this region we are having an unbelievably important support area between 12.7 to about 15.1.5 cents. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, let's summon more. Okay, I'm thinking this impulse down is probably into a wave 1, and maybe we're gonna have an A, B, another move up into our C leg, into overall a wave 2. And what's gonna happen next if this scenario is in play? Well, we are going to have a decent move down into wave 3, 4, 5, which again, I'm hoping that we reach to about this region and then get a very strong recovery phase in form of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we do this, that will be an excellent bullish sign in HBAR, indicating maybe our final low is in. But before we get that, I think in Hedera we may have some more downward price action. So for now, let's go with this scenario, and as long as I'm not proven otherwise, I'm gonna argue in the next 48 to 72 hours we are going to do something like this. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Hedera. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.